This video is about 5 ways to make money using ChatGPT. Let's go. ChatGPT is a leading natural language processing tool that allows users to have human-like conversations or give instructions to the chatbot. One of the reasons for the sudden popularity of ChatGPT is its free public usage. The CEO of OpenAI, Sam Altman, said that ChatGPT had crossed 1 million users in just 5 days. From offering consulting services to creating and selling chatbot-powered products or services, there are plenty of opportunities to monetize your skills and expertise with this powerful platform. Whether you're a business owner looking to improve your customer service or a developer looking to create innovative chatbot-powered products, ChatGPT has something for everyone. This article will explore 5 ways you can make money using ChatGPT. So, if you want to make money using this innovative chatbot platform, listen us. 1. Create a mini web app or mobile app and run ads on it. ChatGPT is famous for writing code. It has been the most incredible tool for programmers since Stack Overflow. You can utilize ChatGPT and create any utility tool like the following: unit converter, loan repayment calculator, compounding interest calculator, subscription calculator, cryptocurrency converter. Then, register Google AdSense for web and Google AdMob for mobile app, and start monetizing the application. Of course, you need to know the programming language to improvise the code, add more features, compile and publish to market. 2. Provide copywriting services to businesses. Providing copywriting services to businesses is the simplest way to make money using ChatGPT. Many companies need help creating compelling copy for their products and services and may need more resources or expertise in-house. By offering copywriting services, you can help businesses create engaging and effective scripts to help them achieve their goals. However, you'll need strong writing skills and an understanding of what makes chatbot copy effective. You may also need to familiarize yourself with the specific requirements and goals of each business you work with and the features and capabilities of ChatGPT. Keep exploring unique ways to interact with the chatbot from YouTube, articles, Twitter, Facebook, and many other platforms. With the right skills and expertise, you can use ChatGPT to create high-quality copy that will help businesses succeed with their products and services. For example, if you were to market a baby feeding bottle that costs $19.99 on Instagram, write an Instagram caption for selling a baby feeding bottle that costs $19.99. The bottle is BPA-free, grip-friendly, and heat-resistant. ChatGPT even helps you to add in the related hashtag for more exposure. 3. YouTube automation. One way to make money using ChatGPT is by using the platform to automate specific tasks on YouTube. For example, you could use ChatGPT to create a chatbot to respond to user comments on YouTube. Commenting on other videos, ChatGPT can be used to comment on other videos in your niche, which can help drive traffic to your channel and increase visibility. Brainstorm, study, and research new YouTube ideas and keywords. Generate YouTube content outlines by providing the headline. Generate YouTube script and copy. 4. Travel itinerary planner. Planning a travel itinerary to a new destination can be mentally exhausting. The idea is to utilize ChatGPT SDK or API and populate customer requests to create their perfect travel itinerary. Users may input their special requests to the itinerary, for example, dates, desired destinations, activities, accommodations. Type of transportation. You can also integrate your travel itinerary planner app with other travel-related services and platforms, such as flight and hotel booking sites. This will allow you to provide a comprehensive and convenient planning experience for users, as they can access all the information and services they need in one place. For example, a trip to Osaka and Tokyo with some ideas of mine. Help me plan a 5-day itinerary to Osaka and 2 days in Tokyo. I want to sit bullet train and visit Tokyo Tower. I would also like to stay in natural hot spring. Unfortunately, ChatGPT cannot provide related images or image links for the destinations. You may use other tools to do that. 5. Translation service. Localization is crucial for the success of any app or software in the market. Utilizing ChatGPT for translation is a great way to provide a service to many businesses. There is no need to copy and paste in Google Translate anymore. As a developer, you don't need to extract or put the text in Excel for translation purposes. Just copy the language JSON file and ask ChatGPT to translate it. This service typically charges a few cents per word for translations. With the ability to generate a significant amount of translation in a short period, there is currently no limit to the amount of translation that can be accomplished using this method. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a powerful tool that offers numerous opportunities for making money. Whether you want to provide copywriting services, automate YouTube videos, or create chatbots for businesses, ChatGPT can help you with that. With its advanced natural language processing capabilities, ChatGPT can help you create engaging and compelling content that will attract and retain customers. So if you're looking for ways to make money using ChatGPT, consider these 5 ways and see how they can help you build another income stream.